How to make a weak website mobile friendly. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Complete Tutorials. In this video you will learn how to make a Wix website mobile friendly. Navigate to your Wix website dashboard. Click on the design side option next to the design your website. This will take you to the Wix website editor. Here you can adjust your website for different screen sizes and resolutions. To adjust it for the mobile devices, click on the mobile icon at the top. Your desktop view will change to mobile resolution. Now you can edit your website content according to your requirements. For instance, if you want to adjust a text element, select the text and new options will appear above it. To decrease the font size, simply click on the font size option and adjust it to your liking. You can also adjust paragraph text. Select the text, click on the gear icon and choose center line under alignment. To move a section up or down the page, click on the upward and downward arrow icon. To hide a section, select the section and click on the hide button. That's all. Don't forget to give a thumb up, subscribe and click the notification bell. Your comments and input means a word for me, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in comments below. I truly appreciate your engagement.